Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any content from me. Alright, so in this video we are going to be installing this beautiful box braids crochet style. Yes, you heard that right, crochet style, which only took me 3 hours. So without further ado, we're just gonna get right into the video. Alright guys, so this is the braiding pattern that I'm going to be using. It's the individual illusion method. Okay, and in the back I just have some flat twist and that's it. Okay, also I want to thank BE Hair for sponsoring this video. All right, so this is the hair that I'm going to be using. All right, so the hair that I'm using, like I said, it's from BE Hair Store from Amazon. I will put everything in the description box, all the information you need to know. But this is 22-inch. It's ombre wine red. Okay, so it comes 6 packs, okay, in each package, and I used 2 packages, so I used 6 packs. I used 6 packs in one package, and I used 4 in the other one. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna be using a crochet needle, of course, to install this crochet braids, and you can do it different ways, but this is how I do it. I'm just gonna insert the crochet needle through the braid itself, like so. Over there it was a little bit too tight, but the hair is so thin, so you don't really have to worry about that. I'm gonna, insert the needle, and I'm putting it where I'm trying to have an illusion like it's a box braid, an individual box braid. And then I'm gonna insert the hair, close it, swipe it through the hair, okay, and tie it. Okay, and it's that easy, guys. And like I mentioned, this hair is lightweight, so it did not feel heavy on my head at all. Okay, like individual box braids usually feel, and it's so easy to install. And this is what I use to braid my own natural hair. Okay, and I really like this product. Okay, this is the second time I'm using it, and I really like it, and I'm really loving it. It's doing the job, it's getting the job done. All right, so in the back, you guys didn't see me do this, but when I went off camera, I did a little different. I was just doing 1 knot, but I realized because the braids are so thin, it's better for you to tie it twice. So you have to make sure you're doing 2 knots, that way it's tight, okay, because it's gonna get loose. So just an important tip that you guys should know. Okay, And if you have any parts in the back or in the front that you feel like it's showing, you can always go back and fill it in. Like, there's no rule that you shouldn't. And if you have enough hair, then you just go ahead and fill it up. That way you don't have any gaps showing. I am loving this hair, and I don't know about y'all, but I don't think I'll be doing any individual box braids anytime soon. Okay, this is the way to go. Alright guys, so this is it. This is the final look. I am loving this hair. It's so lightweight. Like I said, it's such a perfect color for fall. I know it's still not yet fall, but this hair just reminded me of fall, and I feel like the yellow that I had going on made me feel like we're still in the summer, you know. But yeah, this is the hair, and like I said, you guys will find all the info on this hair in the description box. Make sure you check out BE Hair on Amazon. Okay, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.